that you reside in house number 10, Coronation?
No.
You lied.
Yes.
Sorry?
Yes.
So you are a liar. Yes or no?
In that instance.
Why did you lie?
Sorry, I will answer that.
In that instance.
You see, if it's not fair to say that you are a liar, because the person I'm giving that man is the song lies every time.
You lied in that regard.
That's why the answer is
Okay. So you lied in that regard.
In that instance.
Why did you lie?
The place is a new address. Since it's a new address, I moved in mid-January, and it was really a miscommunication. At the gate, there is a missing number. It's 10, and I genuinely thought all this time it's 110. The place is the house is in the same street. It's at 102. So the truth is, I stay in Greendale, that is the truth. I stay in Coronation Street, that is the truth. The only thing that I then missed was the number, which is 110. I said 110 when it was 102. And that was a mistake on my part because I had not paid attention to the numbers.
You are a lawyer. Do you believe your own story?
Yes, I do.
102 in 110, they can be the same.
Yeah, but
Councillor Mufmafu, they can be the
they
same.
are not the same, I agree, but it is a genuine mistake when a person has just moved in, and we moved in. When we moved in, I then immediately went on a government trip outside the country.
Don't vote about that.
Okay, I'm trying to explain why it is logical. Then I came back, and the gate does not inscribe the number. So I would just routinely know that when I reach this place, there's a gate with a 10, and that is my gate. Notwithstanding, it's not written 102 or 110.
Look around, just look around here. Do you see any grade 0 children? Do you see any grade 0 children?
No.
That is a story which you can tell grade 0 children, not adults like people who are in attendance. You understand?
Well, strange as it sounds.
It's strange.
Yeah, but it is from my view, it is a common mistake. You've recently moved. You can even, I can tell you where I stayed previously. It's called 9 Skymaster. The other road behind it is called 9 Skyline. And sometimes I would confuse the two addresses. It's something that I, as a person, commonly do. I had no intention of misleading the court. If I had an intention to mislead the court, I would have not indicated a road where I truly stay and an area where I am staying.
I will quote it to you that, in fact, evidence shall be an aid to show that you are not desirous of wanting people to know where you reside in Greendale, because you recently procured that house using the process of corruption. Evidence will be uncovered to that effect.
Is that a question?
Yes, I'm just putting to you.
Oh, okay.
If you have any comment, you can comment. If you don't have any comment, that's fine.
I would want to get that evidence that you say you have. You keep repeating that you have that evidence. At the first time,
we shall come to
I have not purchased that property, nor did I receive any money from for that particular purpose.
Okay, thank you. Now.